Imagine walking through a remote landscape. Dry air, strange shaped trees, a place that looks almost alien. Now imagine cutting into the bark of one of these trees. Instead of clear sap, a thick dark red liquid slowly flows out. It looks like blood. For centuries, people believed this tree had mystical powers. Some believed it was the blood of a dragon. Others believed it could heal wounds. Today, science reveals the truth behind one of the strangest trees on Earth, the mysterious dragon's blood tree. The dragon's blood tree grows mainly on a remote island called Socotra Island. Socotra is unlike almost any other place on Earth. It is often described as the most alien-looking location on our planet. Millions of years of geographic isolation allowed plants here to evolve in unusual ways. Nearly one-third of the plant species found on Socotra exist nowhere else. Strange tree shapes dominate the landscape. Some look like giant mushrooms. Others resemble upside-down umbrellas. These forms are not random. They are survival strategies. Socotra has a harsh climate, strong winds, limited rainfall, high temperatures. Only plants with special adaptations can survive here. The dragon's blood tree is one of the most successful survivors. When the bark of the dragon's blood tree is damaged, it produces a deep red resin. This resin quickly hardens when exposed to air. The red color is caused by natural chemical compounds. These compounds protect the tree from infections and pests. The resin acts like a natural defense system. It seals wounds, prevents bacteria from entering, and reduces damage. In simple terms, the tree is protecting itself. Many plants produce sap, but very few produce sap that looks like blood. This is what makes the dragon's blood tree so unusual. Humans have used this red resin for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations valued it highly. It was used as a dye for fabrics. It was used in traditional medicine. It was even used as a pigment in artwork. Some cultures believed the resin had protective properties. Because of its color, people associated it with life force. Historical records show that traders transported this resin across continents. It was considered rare and valuable. In some cases, it was more expensive than common spices. Its unique appearance increased its cultural significance. One of the most recognizable features of the dragon's blood tree is its shape. It looks like a giant umbrella. This structure helps the tree survive extreme conditions. The dense canopy reduces sunlight reaching the soil. This reduces evaporation. It helps preserve moisture. Branches grow upward and outward. Leaves form a protective layer. Rainwater and moisture from fog can collect and slowly reach the roots. This increases water efficiency. Such adaptations are extremely important in dry environments. The tree grows slowly, but it is very resilient. Some specimens can live for hundreds of years. Scientists study plants like the dragon's blood tree to understand resilience. Climate change is creating new challenges for agriculture. Higher temperatures, water scarcity, changing rainfall patterns. Researchers look for natural strategies that allow plants to survive stress. Understanding these biological systems may help improve crop survival. Some scientists believe studying resilient plants could help develop drought-resistant crops. Nature often provides solutions through evolution. The dragon's blood tree is an example of extreme adaptation. Although the dragon's blood tree has survived harsh environments for centuries, it now faces new threats. Climate shifts affect growth conditions. Young trees struggle to develop. Changes in land use also affect natural habitats. Because this species grows slowly, recovery takes time. Conservation efforts aim to protect these unique ecosystems. Preserving biodiversity helps maintain ecological balance. Each species plays a role in its environment. The dragon's blood tree shows how unusual nature can be. A tree that appears to bleed. A shape designed for survival. A species adapted to extreme conditions. Even today, scientists continue learning from plants like this. Nature often solves complex problems through adaptation. The more we understand these systems, the better prepared we are for future environmental challenges. Some of the most advanced solutions already exist in nature. If you enjoy discovering hidden knowledge about plants, science, and the future of food, subscribe to Legacy Harvest, because the future often begins with understanding the past.